Hello. Happy birthday, Margie. You'll always be my girl, but man, look at this weather. Yep, you'll always be my girl, Margie. I know, I'm your only uncle, but still. Red ribbon. Really? So, yep. I'm getting old. Weather's nice. Birthday girls today, and I'm getting old. Cue the intro. Hey guys, how you guys doing today? I'm doing good. Just wishing my niece a happy 16th birthday, yeah. Wow, this is really weird weather. Yep, she's 16 today, me getting old. Yep, she was born 16 years ago today. This is 1997. 1997. And I was 20 years old then. Leave in the comments below if you guys remember your 16th birthday. Well, on my 16th birthday, I know I got my driver's license on the 17th. I did my driver's training on when I was 16. And I had a good birthday. It was a very, very cool birthday. All I can remember is sitting in the dining room, having a cake, and family, which all I wanted. But it was really good presents. I can't remember anything else. But man, weather weird birthday. So leave a comment about your 16th birthday and also wish Morgie a happy 16th birthday. I hope your day is good, Morgie. Daryl loves you. So does Jazzy and Salem. I hope I see you guys soon. Yep, my Morgie is my niece, my only niece I have from my sister. She is the coolest girl ever and the most awesomest. She's good at track. Yeah, it's just I haven't seen her since September, a year ago actually, from a wedding. So, and she grew up, and I'm getting old. I'm 36. You know, she's got 20 years. So 20 years she will be my age, but 10 years she could be 26. Oh my word. No more, Margie. You can't grow up no more, Margie. So, I hope you guys have a good day. I'm glad you guys' Labor Day was good. We had steak dinner last night and watched a movie, and then I went to bed because I was tired. But anyways, I love you, Morgie. I hope you have a good birthday today. I hope you go to Tradition with Grandpa, with my dad for birthday dinner, or this weekend, whatever, with Mom. But at least I had birthday breakfast with Mom, with Nana. And I love you. Okay? We really do love you. Oh, excuse me, sorry. Just wanted to say, if you are the first time ever seen this video, sorry about me yawning. I'm KJNSD, if you guys don't know, which is Kevin, Jazzy, Sam, and Daryl. If you are new and you like my videos, hit the subscribe button and follow the links down below with my friends and me, please. And don't forget to share this video. Enjoy it. If you guys haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button. That'd be cool if you guys do. I really do love y'all. And happy birthday, girl. Weather is awesome. I mean, Indiana weather. I wish you guys came down here. I hope you guys come down here soon and visit me. Because there will be starting tomorrow. Getting a phone call tomorrow of him when to start and everything. So I'll see you guys when I see ya. Later. Love y'all. Peace.